Wow, wasn't that a great story? Didn't you love how the illustrations were made with collages? We're going to do that today. We're going to make our very own snowy day, a snowy forest with some wonderful green trees. We're going to start our snowy day with our blue paper. And we're going to look about midway and add a white crayon. We're going to use that white crayon to color the bottom of this. We have the sky and the snow ground and our line of horizon. We're going to fill it all in. That's the first thing we're going to do. After that, we've got to put our name on the back. You know how that is. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a green piece of paper and we're going to make some really big triangles. These triangles are going to become our trees. And after we make our big triangles, we've got to get that fabulous white crayon out again. That white crayon is what we're going to use to decorate and make really neat looking trees. Those are so cool. Once we make our trees, we can cut them out and we can glue them on. Look at that beautiful forest we made as a collage. Which way does it go? The collage. We're going to leave on the board some wonderful pictures for you to see of ones other people did. I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember, our thumbs are up when we cut, and we're very careful with our scissors. Remember our glue, put the cap back on. Please help Miss Fleming to make sure you have a wonderful day. All your trash will go in the big red trash can. You can do it. I miss you, and I'll see you soon. Bye, lovelies.